Hi. Today we are going to discuss how to find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. I'll move to the one example. First, take one example. Say capital A is a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. It's 1, 3, 1, 0, 4, 1, 2, minus 1, 0. So this is a matrix. In this matrix, first step 1, we should find the inverse. Right? So inverse is the first from the first row we can expand. So 1 times you get 1 times the minor matrix. The minor matrix is 4 1 minus 1 0. Then you get 4 1 minus 1 0, and then 3, that's the negative value, and then you can remove the, forget about the row and column. See 0 1 2 0, and you get 0 1 2 0, you get it. And then you can find 1, you get 0 4 2 minus 1 like that. Basically you get first one is you get 1, and this is you can see plus 6, and then you can see this is minus 8. The final answer would be minus 1. So you found A inverse, which is minus 1. Now you have to come up with the matrix M. So M matrix is the minor of each of these values. When you take 1, you remove the 1, the column and the row. So then rest of the things called minor matrix. You write down minor matrix 4 1 minus 1 0. So this is your minor matrix. And then when you remove 3 with 3, this is the column and this is the row. So rest of the part is 0 1 2 0. Then you get 0 1 2 0. So this is your second minor matrix, and third minor matrix would be you get 1. From this one we can remove the corresponding column and row. You get 0 4 2 minus 1, 0 4 2 minus 1. So then this is your first row minor matrices. So likewise you have to fill rest of the minor matrices like this. I'll write down quickly 3 1 minus 1 0, and 1 1 2 0, 1 3 2 minus 1, and 3 1 4 1. Then you get 1 1 0 1. So final one from this 0, this is the row and the column. You can see 1 3 0 4. Okay, now we have done with our minor matrices. Right, now we can move to we can simplify all of these determinants, small determinants. Then you get your M matrix, that is 1 minus 2 minus 8. Then you get 1 minus 2 minus 7, and then you get minus 1 1 and 4. So okay, now you completed with your M matrix. I can see now you're going to find C matrix, but to write down the C matrix you have to consider the signs. You know, the sign matrix is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So this is the, with this matrix we are going to write down the C matrix. So that means you are going to change here all the values and the negative values. So we are going to change the sign of this. I'm going to change the sign of this and this and this as well. Okay. So once you change, you get this is minus 1. Sorry, that first one you keep it as it is because you are not changing the sign. This is plus 1, but the second one would be plus 2. The next one is minus 8, and then this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 7. This would be minus 1, minus 1, plus 4. So you can see we have changed, it should be plus. Now you can see we have changed the sign of these 4 places, and rest of the places we have kept it as it is. Now we found the C matrix. Okay, we have done almost now. Now A inverse matrix is equal to 1 over det A, your determinant, and the C's transpose. So the determinant value we found is minus 1, so 1 over minus 1. And the C's transpose values is, you have to write down all the columns, this first row into first column into first row, like that. You have interchanged row and columns. You get 1, 2 and minus 8. Then you get minus 1, minus 2 and plus 7. Then you get minus 1, minus 1 and plus 4. So you can see the first row would be first column of this, second row is the second column of this, the third row the third column of this. So once you finish, you can multiply with this minus. You can minus 1, this is plus 1, plus 1, this is minus 2, plus 2, plus 1, 8, minus 7 and minus 4. So this is the final A inverse matrix. So that's how you should find the matrices, inverse matrices. And so as a summary, I can show you what we do normally. So basically we need, this is the matrix to be to find the inverse. Step 1, you have to find A inverse matrix, sorry, determinant matrix. Our target is to find A inverse. This is our target. And the other side, we should find all the minor matrices. Once you find the minor matrices, you have to come up with the C matrix. The C matrix, you need the supporting part called plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So with this supporting part, the signs, we can come up with the C matrix. Once you find the C matrix, you can transpose it and can find the CT matrix. And actually this M and this you have to mix together and get C. Okay, now you know how to find the C value. Anyway, the A inverse is nothing but 1 over mod A, determinant A, and CT. So then once you find CT and A modulus, you can find inverse function. So that's how you can find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Thank you very much.